You've done it. The papers are signed, the keys are in your hand, and for the first time, there's a home that's entirely yours. But there's someone else on that home loan with you. Not a co-applicant, not a guarantor, your mortgage itself. For the next 15, 20, or maybe 30 years, a part of your income every month goes toward this loan. You enjoy the home, but you're also carrying the weight of that liability quietly in the background for decades. Have you ever wondered what happens to your loan and your home if you or your income suddenly aren't there to pay for it? Here's something nobody tells you when you sign your home loan papers. Your EMI doesn't care what happens to you. If you're not around to pay it, the bank comes looking for its money. And that usually means the home you worked so hard for is suddenly on the line. Most women just take whatever home loan insurance the bank hands them at sanction. But honestly, that might not be the right cover for you. So let's talk about what actually protects a woman's mortgage, because your home loan isn't one size fits all, and neither is life insurance for women in India. For a lot of women, this home isn't just a purchase. It's independence, it's stability, it's something you built entirely on your own terms. But here's what banks never really factor in. A lot of women today are taking these loans on their own. No co-borrower, no backup. Plenty are also helping out parents financially on top of paying the EMI. And if you take a career break somewhere along the way, for a baby or to care for someone, your income doesn't just pause, your risk goes up. None of that shows up in a standard home loan insurance calculation. So here's the honest math. Your number isn't just the loan. It's your income replaced for however many years you'd have worked, plus the loan, plus whatever your parents might need from you. Let's talk about the two kinds of cover you'll come across when you take a home loan. Home loan insurance, sometimes offered by your bank at sanction, is a reducing cover plan. So your sum assured shrinks every year right along with your loan balance. If something happens to you, the payout goes straight to the bank and it closes out the loan. Term insurance works differently. Your cover stays flat for the whole policy term and the payout goes to your nominee, meaning your family decides how to use it. Close the loan, sure, but also take care of your parents, cover the bills, whatever they actually need at that moment. Both exist for a reason. Home loan insurance is built specifically to close out the loan, simple and loan linked. Term insurance is built for broader protection. Your income, your parents, your family's day-to-day life on top of the loan. So it's less about which one is better and more about what you need covered. If your only concern is clearing the loan, home loan insurance does that job. If you're supporting parents, running the household, or want your family to have flexibility with the payout, that's where term insurance fits in. Okay, let's do the math. It's simpler than it sounds. Take your yearly income, multiplied by the years you've got left till retirement. That's your income replacement number. Add your outstanding home loan on top of that. Then add whatever you expect to give your parents each year, multiplied by how many years you think you'll be supporting them. Take a woman like Meera, early 30s, sole borrower on a home loan of around 65 lakh rupees, with parents who lean on her a bit financially. Add up her income, her loan, and her parents' number, and her real cover requirement is way bigger than 65 lakh rupees. That's usually how it goes. Your loan is never the whole story. So which plan actually does this? This is where ABSLI's Her Insurance Suite comes in, and Her Care is the plan built exactly for this. It's not just about the cover either. Every Her Care plan comes with health management services worth around 74,000 rupees. So you're getting support for your health today, not just protection for later. You can also add on a critical illness rider built to cover women-specific conditions like breast and cervical cancer. Here's what that actually looks like in practice. Take a 25-year-old choosing the ABSLI Super Term plan under Her Care. For about 581 rupees a month, she locks in a sum assured of 1 crore rupees. That's the kind of high cover, low cost equation Her Care is built around. And if you're a salaried woman, the ABSLI Salary Term Plan is worth a look too. It layers on a first-year premium discount for women on top of everything Her Care already gives you. It's designed to cost about as much as an OTT subscription every month, so it can match your loan amount without stretching your budget. Women get a 9% discount on the first year's premium, and if you like the idea of getting your premiums back eventually, there's a return of premium option too. So, what should you actually do in order? 1. Work out your real cover number, income plus loan plus parents, like we just did. 2. Buy your term insurance before your home loan comes through, or at the same time while your income's easiest to prove. 3. While your bank may offer insurance with your home loan, it's worth exploring other options to find the plan that suits you best. Regulatory guidelines gives you the freedom to choose your own insurer, so it's worth comparing what's available before you decide. 4. If you've already got a term policy, just check the cover still enough now that there's a home loan in the picture. If it's short, top it up. You don't need to cancel the old one. Life insurance isn't just a nice to have. It respects your budget through the discount and premium options that fit your cash flow. It recognizes that you might be the only one paying this loan, and it protects more than just the mortgage. It's about protecting your life, your family, and the home you're building around them. Now let's answer some most asked questions quickly. If I already have a term insurance policy from before my home loan, do I need to buy a new one? Not necessarily, but check whether your existing sum assured is still adequate. Add your outstanding home loan amount to your original cover calculation. If your existing policy covers both your income replacement need and the full loan, you do not need a new policy. If there is a shortfall, buy a second standalone term policy to top up. There is no restriction on holding two term policies in India, and you are not required to lapse the existing one. Can a bank force a woman to buy their home loan insurance when sanctioning a home loan? No. Regulatory guidelines explicitly state that banks cannot make the purchase of home loan insurance a condition for sanctioning a home loan. A woman has the right to buy life insurance from any insurer of her choice or to use an existing term policy to cover the loan. If a bank representative insists otherwise, this can be escalated to the bank's grievance redressal officer or to RBI's banking ombudsman. Should a woman choose the return of premium option on her term insurance when she has a home loan? The return of premium option returns premiums paid at maturity but comes at a higher premium than the base plan. For a woman home loan borrower, the priority is ensuring the sum assured is large enough to cover the full loan and income replacement need. If the higher ROP premium forces a lower sum assured to keep costs manageable, that trade-off works against her. Get the right cover amount first. Consider ROP only if the premium remains affordable after that. Does a woman get a lower premium than a man for the same term insurance cover? Women typically receive lower term insurance premiums than men of the same age and health profile due to statistically lower mortality risk. ABSLI's salaried term plan formalizes this as a 9% discount on the first year premium for women, making high-value home loan protection more affordable for women borrowers. Can a woman who is a co-borrower on a home loan use her own term insurance to cover her share? Yes, if the co-borrower's term insurance sum assured is sufficient to cover her share of the outstanding loan and her income replacement needs, it can serve as home loan protection. Both co-borrowers having separate personal term policies, each sized to their individual income and loan share, gives the household the most complete protection. What is the right policy term for a woman who takes a home loan at age 34? The term insurance policy term should be at least as long as the home loan tenure. If the loan runs for 20 years, the policy should cover at least those 20 years. It also makes sense to align the policy term with the woman's working life rather than just the loan, typically up to age 60 or 65. A 34-year-old taking a 20-year home loan would ideally buy a 25 to 30-year term policy, ensuring both the loan and her income are protected through her peak earning years. Buying your first home is one thing. Making sure it stays your family's home no matter what is the part that's easy to put off. If you're a working mother, a single professional, or anywhere in between, this is worth 30 minutes of your time this week. Look at your outstanding loan amount and check whether your current cover, if you have any, would actually clear it. Explore the ABSLI Salary Term Plan or ABSLI Super Term Plan using the links in the description and see which one fits how you want to protect this milestone. Your home is the reward for years of hard work. Make sure it's protected for just as long.